Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 5 we can write into 1 plus 4. This is about identity. So I can write into s plus 1 to the power of 2. Next, I need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put s plus 1 equal to 2 tan t. Because we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the s equal to number 2 secant of t squared dt. So we put this one go in here. About s, we change by this one. The s we change by this one. So this one we have 4 tan t squared. Number 4, we can do about factorization. So this one you got about secant of t squared. And now we need to simplify 2 secant of t squared on numerator and denominator. And now I will put number 2 outside. Now we need to expand this one. After we expand this one, that should be like this. Now I will find the integration of this one first. We know that tan t to the power of 3, that is about tan t multiplied by tan t squared. About tan t squared, that is about secant of t squared minus 1. So tan t multiplied by secant of t squared minus 1 and number 1. Now I will concentrate about this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to tan t. dz we have secant of t squared dt. So about z we change for tan t. This one we change by dz. The integration of z, you got about z squared over 2 and we put about c. About z, that's about tan t. And now we return back to this one. The integration of this one we got about this one. About tan t, that's about sin t over cosine t. So the integration of this one, we will have about positive ln of the absolute value of cosine t. And we put about c. Now we need to return back to this one. So about this one, we just put about a multiplied by this one. We know that tan t squared that is about secant of t squared minus 1. So we have negative number 12 in here. The integration of secant of t squared, you got about tan t. Number 1, you got about t. About this one, that is about sin t over cosine t. The integration of this one, we have negative number 6, ln of the absolute value of cosine t. The integration of number 1, you got about t. And then we put about c. So we need to simplify. So a ln cosine t minus 6 ln cosine t, you got about number 2. So I forget t. So 12t minus t, you got about 11t. And now about t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And we got about t equals to tan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with tan, you got about this one. Similar for this one. So negative number 12 divided by 2, you got about negative number 6. And this is the final answer we need to write in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.